Alright guys, I want to make a quick video on rational and irrational numbers. I know I said on a PowerPoint, but also some of y'all were commenting some questions and stuff, so I just want to make a quick video, and hopefully this helps. So, rational. Think about rational numbers as anything that can be represented as a ratio. So think of that when you think of rational numbers. Now, like the number 4, is that a rational number? Well, yes, because the ratio, there's multiple ratios that can equal 4. So think of 4 over 1. And remember, fractions is basically division. So 4 divided by 1 equals 4. And again, it can also be represented by multiple things. It can also be represented by 20 over 5. Again, this is a ratio. 20 over 5, 20 divided by 5 is 4. And you could say, what's another one? What is another ratio that could represent 4? 16 over 4. And again, this is just a ratio that equals the number 4, so therefore it makes 4 rational. Again, and for another example, number 8. 8 over 1 is a ratio for the whole number 8. And again, 16 over 2, it could go on and on. 24 over 3, because 24 divided by 3 is 8, and so on and so forth. So that is just a quick little basic entry level to rational numbers. So when you hear rational, think of the word ratio. Somehow I got Siri on. But anyway, think of the word ratio. Now, moving on to irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. For one, anytime you just see if it's just a really weird number, majority of the time it is irrational. But also, just some quick ones. The square root of 2. Square root of 2 is 1.414213, and it keeps going. Now again, a quick way to think of this is if you could think of, if you can put this on a number line. So let's make it, sorry, this is like kind of a bad number line. So like if it was 1.4 and just 1.4, you'd be able to put that on the number line. You could just say, it'd probably go right about there. Because 1.4 looks like it would go there. But the problem with square root of 2 is it goes on forever. So how in the world would you know exactly where to put that on the number line? So that is also a key that you can use to figure out if it's irrational. And again, if you know anything about pi, you probably know that it goes on forever. So it is the same concept. So again, it goes on forever and ever and ever, and therefore it is irrational. And also, square roots, non-perfect squares, are irrational. So somebody asked this. So like the square root of, I don't know, 47, that would be irrational. So yes, hopefully this helps. And also, if you divide an irrational number by a rational number, it makes it irrational. So yeah, that was just a quick overview. I think you guys kind of covered this in 7th grade math. If not, if it's like too basic, let me know. If it's like, hey, what the heck is this? Again, let me know. Give me some feedback. All right. Hope you'll have a great day. See ya.